Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down below in the description. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience using the product. We're taking a look at the SecuX hardware wallet found at SecuXtech.com. SecuX offers a range of cryptocurrency hardware wallets designed to provide secure offline storage for your digital assets. Their website showcases various models, each with different features and security levels. From the entry-level devices ideal for beginners to more advanced options for experienced users, SecuX aims to cater to a wide range of needs. Navigating the site, you'll find detailed specifications for each wallet, including supported cryptocurrencies, connectivity options like Bluetooth and USB, and security features such as a secure element and PIN protection. SecuX emphasizes the importance of user experience, highlighting the intuitive interface of their wallets and accompanying mobile app. The company also provides resources like FAQs, user manuals, and blog posts to help users understand the importance of hardware wallet security and guide them through the setup and usage process. Looking at the site security section, SecuX appears committed to transparency, outlining their security practices and certifications. They discuss their approach to firmware updates and vulnerability disclosure, which are crucial aspects of maintaining the long-term security of a hardware wallet. Overall, the SecuXtech.com website provides a comprehensive overview of their product line and aims to educate users on the benefits and practicalities of safeguarding their crypto investments with a dedicated hardware device. The information presented suggests a focus on user-friendliness alongside robust security measures. A potential buyer can research different models, compare features, and gain a good understanding of how a SecuX wallet could fit into their overall cryptocurrency security strategy. They seem to emphasize a balance between robust security and ease of use, which is a key consideration for many users in the cryptocurrency space. The site also highlights the sleek and modern design of their devices, suggesting an appeal to users who value aesthetics alongside functionality. Exploring the different product pages allows potential customers to delve into the specifics of each model, including pricing, supported assets, and technical specifications. This detailed information empowers users to make informed decisions based on their individual needs and preferences within the cryptocurrency ecosystem. It's clear they are targeting both novice and experienced users, offering a tiered approach to hardware wallet security.